Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel City Learner. Today we are going to discuss about circle. So what is circle? Circle is defined as the set of points that are adjacent to each other and equidistant from a fixed point called center. That means circle is nothing but it is a set of points which are equidistant from a central point. That central point is called center. So it is a set of points which are equidistant from a central point or fixed point. So if we draw a circle, this is take a fixed position and equidistant set of point which are equidistant from a central point. These are the points, and if we connect this all the points, we get the circle. So these are the circle, and this is center point is called center. So this is the circle, and it is a 2D shape or 2D structure. So now we discuss about the parts of circle. What is the parts of circle? So first we have to draw a circle. So this is the circle. This outer circle set of point, it is called circumference. This outer circle is called circumference, and the central point from where these points are equidistant, central point O, this O point is called center. Now if we draw a line from central to circumference OA, this will become radius. And if we extend the OA line to the opposite direction, and it will form a AB line. This AB line is called diameter. Since this diameter is twice of the radius, or radius is half of the diameter. So if we connect any 2 points on the circle CD, this is called chord. And this, if this chord is passes through the center, it will become diameter. And diameter is the longest chord of a circle. If any lines passes through a circle, that line is called secant, and this secant cuts the circle and AB point, and any line passes just touching by the one point of the circle is called tangent. This RS is the tangent, and it touches the circle at point E. And if we draw a line from O to E, it will always perpendicular on the line RS. This OE line always perpendicular on RS. This CD curve from C to D curve is called arc, and we write this arc as like this in curve shape. And this CD chord and this curve in between places, all the area is called segment. Segment means chord and CD arc in between area is called segment. And we can find out this all areas or by formulas. If we draw another radius OA and OF and this area is called sector. Two radius. The area between two radius is called sector. And this angle, the angle between two radius is called central angle, theta. And if we draw an angle on the circle, this angle is called circumangle, and this angle will be half of theta. So therefore circumangle is half of central angle. So these are the parts of circle. Thank you.